Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another weekly market breakdown. Now, yesterday's video I told you guys to let me know what pairs it is you want me to analyze for you, and that is exactly what I want to go through very quickly. There I said drop any pairs you want me to analyze, doing another breakdown tomorrow. So we're gonna see what the people had selected. So the first one on the line is USDJPY. So let's go over to USDJPY and see what the market is in store for us. So this is another good example of pure price action that had taken place. You can see how the market broke below support, came back, tested it as resistance, started this move to the downside. Again, what we have over here is a market that has currently printed a new impulse. After that, you obviously expect a correction, but we are faced with a market that is once again testing previous support. Now, the best way to approach this, obviously, we've got a market now faced between two types of structures. I would suggest that we wait for the market to continue lower and then look for potential buying opportunity to the upside, as we do expect this market to continue lower and test this previous level of support. The clear break below the structure will obviously give us room for the market to move to the downside there as well. Next up, we do have TEBZAR GU and USDZAR. Let's go over to GBPUSD and see what the current situation is over here. Now, GBPUSD, we can clearly see we are trading in bearish territory. If we look slightly left, you can see the market had broken above the strong level of resistance, came back, tested it as support, and you can see how the market then broke above resistance, tested it as support didn't hold, the market came back, tested it as resistance. We can see resistance didn't hold there as well. Again, when we do trade side moving markets, we obviously need to wait for a clear breaker structure. And we can see how the market is stuck between this level of resistance and it's stuck between this level of support. Now, like I always tell you guys, the best way is to wait for a breaker structure, alright? So clear break below this will obviously give us that indication that we can expect the market to move to the downside. Alternatively, if we do get a break above that level on the pullback, we can definitely expect the market to continue higher. But that means you can obviously trade the range down, up, down, up. Next up, we've got USD against the worst currency that you can find, which is the ZAR. Well, we are currently doing a little bit better, but we've got USD ZAR. We can see perfect price action played out over there. We now got the market that had broken above this structural level over here. Very important structure. Now we can see here, if we look left, this level over here acted as a resistance, broke above that, support didn't hold, broke below support, came back, tested it as a resistance, broke above resistance, back to support, support didn't hold, back to resistance, finally broken above that. Now I do expect a slight continuation to the upside and then a pullback, something like that. Doing this will the market print what's known as a W formation, and then we can wait for the market to pull to the back to the neckline over here as well. So slightly higher, complete the W formation, and then potentially continue higher there as well. Next up, we've got GJ and GJ and GBPJPY. Okay, let's go. Ooh, what do we have here? Okay, so here we've got a market that is also trading. We can see over here we've had a very important structure that had broken, and we can see how the market is also testing very strong support here as well. Now, like I always tell you guys, it's very difficult to trade a consolidation or a ranging market, as we need to wait for a clear breaker structure. Although this is not the ideal range that you would get, because we did have this massive move to the upside here and then a pullback. But again, if we have to go with a bullish bias, I'd probably say wait for a clear break above structure and then a continuation to the downside. It's very difficult to determine which way the market is going when you are trading that close to the structure. So I would say wait for a clear break above that. EURJPY, let's see what we got over here. So the situation that we got here on EURJPY is here we can see the market had just completed a W formation to the neckline, and you can see over here now a W formation is considered a bullish pattern from a technical perspective. This was the structure that the market had broken. We can clearly see that the market had started showing signs of bullish, of the bull stepping into the market. We had this impulse. So after an impulse, we got the correction. And if you take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, we can see we tested, rejected the 61.8 and also this previous level of resistance that is now acting as a level of support. Then if we move our Fibonacci on the correction to get a take profit level, we can see that we do have the minus 27 lining up perfectly with this previous level of support that is now turned resistance. Then we do expect the market to continue higher to there as well. Boom. Okay, let's continue. BXY and JPY index. Okay, let's go quickly. Let's see what we got over here. GBP. Ooh. Whew. Okay, I do see something. This looks very choppy to me. I'm gonna go over to the Japan yen, right? I think I will come back to that. I think I must just sit down with that, right? So here on the Japan basket is we can clearly see that the market had now come back to test this previous level. This acted as a resistance, broke above that, tested it as support, broke below support, back to test it as a resistance. From here, definitely a move down expected for the market to come back and test this previous level of support there as well. EUGU, let's go straight over EURUSD. Yeah, we've got the EURUSD. EURUSD, we can see here we've just broken above structure. This level over here acted as a resistance. We had a daily close above that level. I don't expect this market to rally very far, probably up until there. And then from there, I'll give you guys another update on this market here as well. Remember, it is going to be a very slow market this week. So I would say either don't trade, spend some time with the family, you know, but just be careful when you're out there as well. Still trading within this consolidation phase, so we need to wait for a clear break. Thanks. Another banger. Nasdaq, we've got GBP CAT and CAT CHF. So yeah, we've got a market that is obviously not going very well. That's not doing too good. And we can see here we've broken multiple structures to the downside. From here, I definitely expect this move to continue lower. And then we have CAT CHF there as well, CAT CHF. And what we got over here is, yeah, I wouldn't even touch this market, right? We can see here, it looks like a graveyard at this moment here as well. Okay, I've covered GU, USD CAT, let's see what we got here. USD CAT, where is USD CAT? There we go. Okay, so clearly we've reached a previous level of the support over here. Was acting as a resistance, a massive breakdown, come and test that previous level. We also broke below this level of support, and we can definitely expect this market to pull back, come and test this level as resistance there as well. Next up we do have EURGBP also. I'm trying to get through all of this. What do we have over here? Okay, so this market over here had just reached resistance, we can see over here, and the market slightly rejected, came back, tested support over here, and from here we definitely can expect or see this market to continue higher over here as well. Let me just do that, then do that, then just show you quickly. So we had the market that had broken above this level of resistance, never came back to test it as support, but I do expect the market with that massive rejection to clear that that liquidity further to the upside there as well. AUDUSD, I'd probably still bullish on this because so far stock markets has not made any signs of U-turn. We had a market broke above resistance, tested it as support, definitely expecting this move to the upside. Crude oil, US oil, there we go. So when last did I even look at this? So let me just remove that. Here we have a market that's definitely going to continue lower. We broke below support, printed a slight W formation, broke above resistance. Now we can expect the market to come back to test this level as support once again as well. From there, we just need to monitor the price action. Next up, we got Minister of German 30. So you don't know, but yeah. Hello sir, I got that, and thank you, I appreciate that. Do you mind CADJPY? I can do that. CADJPY, yeah, as well. Let me just remove that. Most of this was used for testing. Yeah, so okay, so if you look left, you can see here we broke below this strong level of support, came back, tested it as a resistance. However, we are in bearish territory still because we are trading below structure, but we do have a massive impulse and we got the start of the correction. And if you take the Fibonacci from the low to the high, we can see here we did get a 0.382, but keep in mind that I do see this market continue lower. Here we got a 61.8 Fibonacci pullback, so this is probably more likely where I would see this market continue going. Alternatively, if we do get above this daily close above the structure, then we can definitely look for that moves there to the upside. A blue M5 from 2022, and that is exactly what I need to drive. Guys, that is it from my side. Have a beautiful Christmas. Enjoy the time with your family. I will see you guys in the next video. And also, this is going to be video upload number 500. That is it. Thank you for the support. Cheers for years.